A lot of times people ask me, what's up with music supervisors? Like, how can I reach out? How can I contact them? Don't worry, I ain't even gonna hold you. We got you covered. Number one, the best way to reach out to music supervisors, like my man JS says all the time, is Googleable. I'll say it again, it's Googleable. Google music supervisor. You'll see hundreds of music supervisors that work on TV shows, that work on films, that are looking for hot, dope music. All right. So that's the first step. That's step one. Step two, once you get their contacts, there's a couple of ways you can reach out. You can search through IMDb or you can go through LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a perfect business platform that's utilized for artists to reach out and connect with music supervisors. Now, step three, be professional. I say it again. Step three, be professional. Mind your verbiage. Make sure that you don't come across brash or over cocky, overconfident. You know, I got a saying I love. It says, humble's the new cocky, right? At the end of the day, you don't got to do the most, just do the least. And that'll take you further than you could ever imagine. And once again, this is K Sparks, JS, aka the best. Sync Music Mondays in 60 seconds or less.